Welcome to a new way of learning, simple, flexible, and built entirely around your life. Why leave the house, get stuck in traffic, search for parking, and pay for overpriced coffee, just to sit in a classroom and listen to a lecture? Today, you can learn anything you want from the comfort of your home, with no wasted time, no extra costs, and no limitations. At our online college, you'll find high-quality digital courses across a wide range of topics: interior design, business, personal development, marketing, productivity, and many more. All created to give you practical, real-world skills you can apply immediately. We give you professional courses built by real experts. Each course is based on real experience, proven methods, and tools that professionals use every day. No empty theory, only knowledge that works in real life. We have exceptional customer support. We guide you, answer quickly, and support you at every step. You're never alone. We make sure you understand, progress, and get results. You can learn on your schedule, at your pace. No fixed class times. No pressure. Every course is open 24/7 and accessible from your phone, computer, or tablet. Watch as many times as you need until you master the material. Our courses are learned fast and give you practical results. Our goal isn't just to teach information. It's to give you powerful tools that create real change in your home, your career, your business, or your personal life. We believe in giving the best tools to our students, so each course has special bonuses with every course. A free digital book, an additional complimentary course, or valuable learning materials. You pay for one course and walk away with much more. We believe in learning that fits modern life, learning that feels good, learning that actually works. Now it's your turn to join thousands of students already learning with us, and start a journey that's simple, professional, and truly transformative. Welcome to the future of online learning.